The Finance Bill 2014 was today passed in the Lok Sabha by a voice vote, after which the legislative proposals on direct and indirect taxes will become effective formally. The proposals were made in this year's general budget. Speaking in the parliament, Jaitley said the bill is aimed at generating more economic activity and creating jobs to achieve growth goals.
And my entire effort has been, through the various proposals in the finance bill, that we must be able to generate more economic activity, more industrial and manufacturing activity, put more money in the hands of the average citizen so that his spending also increases. And this larger economic activity will then lead to an enhancement of the growth rate itself. Inflation can't only be tackled by hiking the interest rates. When you have larger economic activity, you then tackle the supply side also. You make more goods, more products, more commodities, more agricultural items available in the market. That is one way of fighting inflation.
Powered by NNIS.